Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. Woo! That's the fastest I've ever done it because we've got to get this info out. What's going on?
So Tuesday the 26th of January is Australia Day, so we all take a chance to take a deep breath and celebrate this fantastic country. So we are closed on Australia Day. However, we are open. The shop is open on Monday. Dispatch will happen on Monday as per normal, the 25th of January. Might be a little bit of skeleton stuff. I'm not sure if anyone's taking the day off to make a super long weekend. But
I forgot to tell you.
Yeah, great. Yeah. So the shop will be open. We'll be closed on the 26th, which is the Tuesday. We're back open again on the 27th, which is the Wednesday. All smiling, all happy. You may find a short delay in deliveries as we sort things out and get the delivery dispatch up and running again. So if your parcel's a day or so late arriving, don't stress, or it's a little bit late getting the email saying it's been dispatched, don't stress, they will be dispatched as quickly as we possibly can after having that very relaxing Australia Day off.
What are those?
These?
Don't tell them. Don't tell them. Don't tell them what those are.
The Australia Day or Australia Post Box.
Yes. Special, shall we say? Let's just say stick around, make sure you got the notifications on YouTube for videos, particularly on Australia Day. That's all we're going to say.
That's the one.
All right. Like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff, and you'll hear from us soon. That's it from me.
And from me too.
See you soon.
See ya.